Right, there's kids in here everywhere. Police, please. Fire. Don't know where you can hear it, but I can hear the sirens and stuff coming. But I think they're coming from the wrong way. It's fucking serious, this. Pardon my French. Like you see there, they've closed the road off. There's kids and adults and families walking through all the time down this path.
Thank you. Yeah, so it's got that air duster.
Yeah. I hope everyone's safe. Just a couple of little kids came out, innocent kids, and the police just started chasing them. Yeah, like I say, it's full of kids, this place, at the moment.